Mayor Mendenhall is already planning to allocate millions of dollars for child care, education, and homeless services as we head into fall and winter with the pandemic still ongoing.
After living with the realities of COVID-19 for 6 months and facing the reality that it will be many months before we have a vaccine, we want you to know that your city is committed to helping you weather this generational storm.
Mayor Erin Mendenhall briefed the Salt Lake City Council on a plan to deal with COVID-19 as we head into the winter months, saying her top priority is people's health.
I'm heartened by the fact that our city has seen stable and declining trends for more than 30 days. Thank you for taking the mask mandate seriously. It is working.
But she's appropriating more money for childcare, youth education programs, and Wi-Fi access across the city to keep kids in school. She's also planning to offer businesses microloans and more access to personal protective equipment so they can stay open, and $9 million for rent, mortgage, and homeless resources. She also announced neighborhood cleanup efforts and more people being directed to help offer services to people experiencing homelessness, and more money for the 4th Street Clinic to offer COVID-19 testing.
Salt Lake City, you are resilient, innovative, and caring. We are facing a most challenging time, yes, but your city has your back, and we're going to do everything in our power to make the road ahead a little easier.
Now, the mayor also briefed the city council this afternoon on plans to clean up homeless camps. She says this time they'll do something a little differently. They're going to go in ahead of time with people specialists who deal with things like drug treatment, housing resources, legal aid, to offer people these resources before they start going in and cleaning up some of these camps that will be torn down, and that begins next month. Live in Salt Lake City, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.
Our capital city certainly dealing with a lot, Ben. Time is ticking, and with winter coming, are there any shelter plans?
Yeah, the mayor did also talk about that. Council members understandably concerned about what happens in the winter time. And there is discussions underway. They're looking for a facility for an overflow shelter like Salt Lake City had in the past winter. The mayor also raised something new that they could be considering as a long-term housing solution: tiny homes. The mayor says that we've seen success in other cities with tiny home communities, and that's something Salt Lake City might explore as well.